This is a standard 6-volt lead acid battery. It's come from a small toy. These are the details. It's not charging anymore. Prior to disposing of this lead acid battery, I'm going to see if I can repair it. I've actually noticed that the electrolyte is missing. It might be simply that it's no longer viable to repair, but I'm going to try anyway. The first thing to do would be to remove the top, as I've just done, and remove these covers. I'm going to use some distilled water and fill the cells up, and then after I've done that, I will then put it on charge, set it to 6 volts, and see if it does charge at least sufficiently to drive the toy car that it came from. Now I've put the battery into a container so that the water doesn't go everywhere, and I'm just going to carefully fill up the cells. Now when you have filled them up, you can shake it or just use some instrument to push the electrolyte down into the cells, but be careful not to damage the cells as you do that. When you feel that you've got the sufficient amount of electrolyte inside, then you can then put the tops back on, like so. Now I'm using the pliers just so you can see what I'm doing. The distilled water at this moment isn't dangerous, so you don't have to use that. It's just so you can see what I'm doing. And also, if you want to, you can test it out prior to gluing the top back on. So put it to one side, charge it, and see if it stores the energy. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY, then please go to my channel.